So we're doing Secret RF here today to treat acne scars. It's a great treatment for a lot of things. It treats acne scars, deep wrinkles and folds, stretch marks. It's great for photo aging. It combines micropen technology with radio frequency energy. And the two of them combined really give a deep, deep treatment. They really stimulate the fibroblasts, make collagen and elastin. So you get a much, much more intense. We kind of say about one Secret RF treatment is about 6 micropen treatments. They're both good treatments, but this is much deeper, much more intense.
It doesn't burn at all or anything like that. It's mostly just kind of a quick little poke. You can't feel like the individual needles. It just kind of feels like one poke.
It takes a full 3 months for the effects to be really seen, and we usually recommend treatments about every month, 3 treatments a month apart.